Today we will read the first chapter, The Fun They Had, written by Isaac Asimov. The story, first I will tell you some brief information about this story. The story's theme, the theme of this story is school. It is related with the school. Those children don't like to go to school. After reading this chapter, they must like the school. The company of their friends, the teachers, classroom, and this school is very much exciting place. The author assuming an idea in future as the technology is moving ahead, how the schools will be. This story is written in 2157 and the imaginative power of the author is very tremendous. He is thinking that when there will be no actual teachers, when there will be no textbooks, how the students will learn. This all description is giving in this story. So let us start, let us proceed for the chapter. The story we shall read is set in a future when the books and schools as we know now them will perhaps not exist. As the author says that school will be not there in futures. How will children study then? The diagram given below may give you some ideas. In future, maybe students will learn through the computers, virtual classroom. What are the virtual classrooms? Virtual classroom is a place where students will learn alone, and the PC and laptop will teach him and give the test papers and classes given by laptop or PC. There will be no actual teachers like us. There will be robotic teachers and moving e-texts. Rather to having the textbook, they have the e-books. Okay, Margie one wrote about in the night in her diary on the page headed 17th May 2157. She wrote, "Today Tommy found a real book." Margie is having a good habit that every night she writes a diary. That day also she wrote a diary and the headed means date was 17 May 2157 and she wrote, "Today Tommy found a real book." It was very old book. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that there was a time when all the story were printed on the paper. Okay, now Margie remembered her grandfather's word. Once her grandfather told her that his grandfather means grandfather's grandfather was having that textbook, printed book. They turned the pages which were yellow and crinkly. They means they both, Margie and Tommy. They turned the pages, they look at the book very enthusiastically. When we are finding something new, when we are finding something very new, so we look at the whole part of that thing is very enthusiastically. Okay, that will also happen with both of them, which were yellow. The book's page were turning in yellow color because it was so old. And crinkly, what is the meaning of crinkly? With many folds or lines, mean it was full of crust. And it was awfully funny to read words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to on the screen. You know what what the author is explaining in this line means they both children were very amazed to see the still words, because now they are reading, they are studying on the PC or laptop, so they are very amazed to see the still words. And then when they turned back the page before, it had the same words on that it had when they had read it the first time. Okay, now how can we see on the laptop or PC? When we are moving the cursor, we can see the new words, but on the book we have the same color, same printed, black color printed words, and all things are same pages. but not like on computer. On computer we can color, when we can change the color, we can change the text, and every time there will be a new page. It had the same words. Geese, said Tommy. What a waste. Why you are wasting your time? This book is such a rubbish. Now Tommy is comparing the e-book with the printed book, with the textbook. When you are through with the book, you just throw it away. I guess a television screen must have had million books on it, and it's good to plenty more. I wouldn't throw it away. Means now the Tommy is comparing e-book with the textbook, and he is saying that when you has completed the books, you have to throw it away. But on the e-book, means on laptop or computer, when we are completing one book, we could not throw it away. And on the television screen, on the television screen, on the laptop, on the computer, there will be so many books are present there. Same with mine, said Margie. Margie was agree with Tommy. She was 11 and hadn't seen many telebook as Tommy had. He was 13. Now here we can know that Margie's age and Tommy's age. Margie was 11 and Tommy was 13. She said, where did you find it? Now she putting a question with Tommy. Where you find this book? In my house. He pointed without looking because he was reading in attic. He was so busy and surprised to see a real book, and he did not even see to Margie, and he replied that I found that book in attic. Attic means what? Attic is a place like storeroom where we keeps the waste thing, that is called attic. What's it about? Now again Margie putting a question. What's the theme of this book? Now Tommy replied, school. Margie was scornful. School? What's there to write about the school? I hate school. What's the meaning of scornful here? Scornful means when we are disagree with something, we are using the word scornful. Margie disliked the school very much. Now further ahead, when we are proceeding and when we are reading the next paragraph, then we will know why Margie disliked the school so much. Margie always hated the school, but now she hated it more than ever. The mechanical teacher had been given her test after test in geography, and she had been doing worse and worse. Means what? Why she hated the school so much? Because I told you before, there is no actual teacher. There will be a robotic teacher and mechanical teacher, and she was doing very bad. She had been doing very worse in geography subject because something is wrong in the geography sector, and the geography teacher gave her test after test, and her marks was very poor. That's why she disliked the school very much. Her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully and sent for the county inspector. Now her mother realized that something is problem with the geography teacher, so he called the county inspector to repair that geography teacher. He was round little man with a red face and whole box of tool with dials and wires. When the county inspector came, now the Margie described his appearance. He had a red face with big box full of tools, dials and wires. He smiled at Margie and gave her an apple. That county inspector knew very well that it is not the problem with that girl. Something is problem with the geography sector. That's why the girl is so depressed. So he wants to make her chill. Margie had hoped he wouldn't know how to put it together again. Margie was praying that please my geography teacher will not repair for 1 month or 2 months at least. But that county inspector was very perfect. He repaired it within 1 hour. large and black and ugly, with a big screen on which all the lesson were shown and the question were asked. He was the county inspector was very perfect man, very knowledgeable man. So he repaired the geography teacher within a 1 hour, and now the big screen appears again, and questions were asked and everything was set up. That was not so bad. The part Margie hated most was the slot. That she don't have any problem with that geography sector or mechanical teacher. She hated the school, she hated the teacher, but the most hating part was the slot. What is the slot? Slot is the given space, or slot is the given space, time or position where she had to put homework and test paper. It's a given space in the mechanical teacher where they have to submit their homework and their test paper. She always had to write them out in a punch code. They made her learn when she was 6 years old. The computer language is different, so she had to give the answer in the punch code in a computer language, and she learned that language when she was in 6 years old. Such an early age she learned that punch code language. And the mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time, because it's a machine, so it calculated the marks within a second. The inspector had smiled after he was finished and patted Margie's head, because that county inspector knew very well that the fault is not with the child. The fault was in the geography sector, so he wants to make the child chill. So he patted very smoothly on her head, and he said her to mother, "It's not the little girl's fault, Mrs. Jones." See, underline this, Mrs. Jones. When the question will ask to you that what's the name of the Margie's mother, so you can give the answer Mrs. Jones. I think the geography sector was geared little too quick. Those things happen sometimes. I slowed it up and the average of the 10-year level. Actually, the overall pattern of her progress is quite satisfactory. And he patted the Margie's head again. Now he gave the explanation to her mother that it is not the problem with that girl, something is problem with the machine, because it is a machine, so sometimes it may happen. And actually the overall performance of that girl is quite satisfactory. She is performing very well. And he patted the Margie's head again. Margie was disappointed. Margie was so disappointed. Why? Just see, she had been hoping that they would take the teacher away altogether. They had once taken away Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. Why she was wishing that they will took the geography teacher with them? Because this kind of thing once happened with the Tommy. They took his teacher apart for 1 month, and so she was wishing it will happen with her also. But her geography sector was repaired very well, and now she have to read. She said to Tommy, "Why would anyone write about school?" That's why we know in these paragraphs why she hated the school so much, because she disliked the black screen, she disliked the slot, she disliked that test after test, punching code. All these things was not liked by her. Tommy looked at her with very superior eyes, because it's not our kind of school, stupid. Now he gave the explanation. He explained to the Margie that our schools are so different than these schools, because they have the same separate building, they have the classroom, and we have to study in a small alone room monotonously with the same teacher, but they have the different teachers in different period. So see the explanation what he wants to explain to Margie. This is the old kind of school, and they had to hundreds of years ago. Now he is putting emphasis on this line. Hundreds and hundreds years ago they are having these school. He added loftily. What is the meaning of loftily? in a superior way. He gave the emphasis on the 100 year ago, centuries year ago, and pronunciation the word carefully, centuries ago. Means these kind of school where they have the school building, actual teachers, classroom, different periods, these kind of school exist in centuries ago, like history. Margie was hurt. Well, I don't know what kind of school they had that time ago. She read the book over his shoulder for a while, then said, anyway, they had a teacher. Means she don't like any kind of teachers. So she is saying, they have the teachers also, na? But sure, they had a teacher, but it was not a regular teacher, it was a man. Now Tommy explained to Margie that the human beings are the teachers that time. A man? How could be a man be a teacher? Well, he just told the boys and girls things and gave them homework and asked them question. Now again Tommy explained, just like our teacher is giving us the separate homework, but the school teacher giving the boys and girls together the same homework, ask some questions separately, and it was very fun. Now again Margie putting a question, a man isn't smart enough. Now she is comparing a human being with a robotic teacher, and she is thinking that human beings are not so intelligent like robotic teachers. But sure he is, Tommy replied. Sure he is. My father knows as much as my teacher. Now Tommy replies very affirmative way, and he is saying that my father knows everything what my teacher knows. Means my father is having the same knowledge like my teacher. He knows almost such as much, I betcha. Betcha means I bet to you my father is having too much knowledge than my teacher. Margie was not prepared to dispute that. She said, I wouldn't want a strange man in my house to teach me. Now she is opposing one thing, that why should a man come to my home and teach every day to me? But now Tommy clarified it again. Tommy screamed with laughter. Now Tommy screaming with laughter. You don't know much, Margie. The teacher did not live in the house. The teacher don't come into the house every day, or he or she will not live in your house. They had a special building, and all the kids went there. One building is putting there, and students and teacher will come on time, came on time, and they studied. The teacher gave the lecture, and all the kids learned the same thing. Sure, if they were same age. But now the Tommy is saying that classroom, all the teachers, like 40 or 30 students, teacher will provide the material. Teacher was provide the material, and all the students studied the same material. But my mother says a teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind to each boy and girl. It teaches that each kid has to be taught differently. But now in this paragraph, the Margie is saying, my mother is saying that teacher should be adjusted according to the age. Then why all the 30 students will was learn together? How all the 30 and 40 students learn together with the same book? Just the same they did not do it then. Just the same they didn't do it that way then. If you don't like it, you don't have to read the book. I didn't say that I did not like it, Margie said quickly. Now, after asking so many questions, the Tommy was frustrated and said to Margie, if you don't like to read the book, just leave it, I will read it. But Margie said, I didn't say that I didn't like. I am not saying that I didn't like this book, but so many queries are there, so I am asking to you. Margie said quickly. She wanted to read about these funny school. They weren't half finished when Margie's mother called. They weren't even half finished when Margie's mother called. When they half finished the book, Margie's mother shouted and calling her that Margie looked up. Not yet, Mama. Now said Mrs. Jones, and it's probably time for the Tommy too. Margie, school. Now her mother called her for the school. It's a school timing, and mechanical teacher was set up. So Margie's mother called her, please come and attend your class. And she also saying, Tommy, you also go and attend your class also. Margie said to Tommy, can I read the book some more with you after school? Now Margie has an interest in that book. She wants to know which kind of school, which kind of classroom, which kind of children, and how they feel in that same classroom. So she asked the question again, can I read some more pages with you after you finish and I also finish my school? Maybe, he said nonchalantly. Nonchalantly means not showing much interest. Now Tommy is putting some attitude with the book and keep the book inside his arm and just go to his house and said to Margie, yes. He walked away whistling, and dusky old book tucked beneath his arm. Margie went to the school room. It was right next to her bedroom. The mechanical teacher was on, waiting for her. It was always on the same time every day except Saturday and Sunday. Okay. Margie went to the school room after her mother calling her, and it was right next to her bedroom. Means where her bedroom is there, the next room will be her school room, and mechanical teacher was on because it's a machine, so they are very particular on time, and it had started already. But 2 days they are getting off, Saturday and Sunday. 2 days they are getting holiday, Saturday and Sunday. Because her mother said little girls learn better if they learn at regular hours. Now what is happening here, the screen was lit up and it said today's arithmetic lesson is on the addition of proper fraction. Please insert yesterday's homework in the proper slot. Now the mechanical teacher had to started his lesson, and today's lesson was arithmetic lesson, means some maths question was there, and the instruction was given to submit your homework in the slot. Margie did so with a sigh. What is the meaning of sigh? Sigh means a deep breath. Sigh means a deep breath. Margie did like the instruction. She was thinking about the old school they had when her grandfather's father was a little boy. Now everything was continuous going in her mind, and she was still thinking about the old school. All the kids from the whole neighborhood came. She was assuming how wonderful it is. All the kids come together, laughing and shouting in the schoolyard, sitting together in the classroom. Yes, it makes so fun. Instead of sitting at the same place and studied on the mobile or laptop or PC, it's so monotonous, it's so boring. Rather to come to the school and to talk with your friends, share your lunch box. It's very, very exciting. Going home together at the end of the day, and when the day finished, when the school finished, they all share their feelings, they all share their experience, and they again come back to the home. They learned the same things, they could help one another. When she thought about that, if everyone is learning the same thing, if anyone has some problem, they can help each other also, and it will be a very fun. And the teachers were people. The mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen when we added the fraction half and 1/4. Margie was thinking about how the kids must have loved it in old days. Again she was screaming her eyes, and she was astonishing to thinking about how the beautiful atmosphere the old students were feeling in the same school. She was thinking about the fun they had. Now the title is The Fun They Had means we, the students, today's students are feeling that kind of experience in our school. So here is the chapter finished by Isaac Asimov, and we will continue afterwards with the second chapter. Just complete your homework. Okay, till then, bye bye. Take care, be safe.